Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to download video or download pictures from Instagram to your phone, to your gallery. Firstly, you have to go over to your Instagram. For me to be able to download this video on my phone, if I want to download this video to my phone to stream, I'm going to see love, comment and share. At that share side, you're going to click it. So guys, before getting started, I want you guys to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. At that shared side, you're going to, over the down side, you're going to see copy link. You're going to copy it, and what you have to do next is for you to go to your Google website, either browser, anyone you're using. What you have to do is for you to type Snap Instant app. Yes, that is what you're going to do. When you do that, this will show up here. So you're going to choose the first one there. After doing that, the link that you copied from Instagram, yes, the link that you copied from Instagram, you have to do is for you to paste it at this particular side and pasting it here. You have to paste it here, yes. So what you have to do next is for you to do download, yes. And that is hard on this Snap app, but it's not really bad, yes. So you just have to find your way through. And this is the video I want to download over here. So let me show you. So I'm going to do download video. Yes, I'm going to do download video, and it won't take time. This ad, you're going to see, for me to be able to download the video. Do you want to download the video? So what I have to do is just to press download, and in case you're using an iPhone, this will show up here, and as you can see guys, the video is downloading. So I just have to wait for it's downloading really fast, just for a few seconds for you to download. So guys, for you to this Snap app is very simple. You can download pictures, video. You can even download some pictures and video from Facebook to this place, but it will take you back to the Facebook own app. Yes. So guys, it's loading just for a few seconds, and let me click it, and you see it's done. So I'm playing the video. See, this is the video. Yeah, this is the video. In case you're using an iPhone, for you to be able to save it to your phone, you're going to see an arrow by your left side there. So you're going to click it, you're going to press it, and you move front, and you're going to see save video. You just have to save the video, and it will go to your gallery. So let me go over to my gallery, to my photo area, to see if the video is there. So this is the video at the down side, then let me click it. So guys, as you can see, I've been able to download this video from Instagram to my phone, to my gallery. So guys, it's very simple for you to do, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my video, and see you next time. Love you.